Good morning, y'all. Just came in here to see my little greenhouse garden this morning. It's a little chilly, but it's still warmer in here than it is outside. Close it on up. Let's see what's going on. So I replanted the basil over here into the longer bed here. My basil. And then my lettuce here. It's like a little shock there, but keep on doing what we do, right? A little cilantro back there. We got my collard greens here. I just watered those. Green peppers. We got my new little sprouts growing up in there. Hello, babies. Good morning. All right, so we're going to go over here. My tomato plant, I just watered them today. I haven't watered them yesterday and for 2 days, actually, because it was already enough water in it. So I went and gave it a little water this morning. These green beans are just looking just fabulous. I really love how these are turning out. Yes, look at those. Oh, goodness. These are doing really good. Okay. And then we have my cucumbers repotted over here into a bigger container. Yes, look at my cucumbers. So anyway, that's just the update. It rained last night, I think. I heard it coming down, but it's nice and dry in the greenhouse. You guys stay tuned.